Hi, kindergartners! Here we go with lesson 136 for Sonday. Boy, have we been cruising and working hard on our phonics so that we can become better readers and writers. So right now we are going to start with reading words. Now these are words we've been practicing for a whole week already. They're the and words. We're going to start with and words, and then we're going to move on to at words. So I want you to read these words with me. And remember, you can use your fingers to break apart the sounds and then put them all together. Are you ready? Here we go. Ooh, there we go. Pan. Man. Fan. Dan. Can. Ban. Ran. Van. Now we're going to move on to at words. At bat. At rat. At hat. At sat. At mat. At vat. At fat. At cat. At sat. At hat. At pat. At bat. We're going to skip spelling words, and I'm going to introduce some new material. So we've learned at words, we've learned and words. Now we are going to learn add words. Add says add. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a new letter in front of it. This part stays the same. Add. Now I'm going to add b. Now it says add bad. Good. I'm just going to change the first letter. Add mad. Add lad. Add dad. Add pad. Add fad. Now let's see if we can read these words. Remember, AD put together says add. This looks like it says add sad. Add bad. Add mad. Add lad. Add dad. Add pad. Add had. Good. Now, your worksheet for today, it's a little bit tricky. I was reading it. It says choose a consonant. Remember, consonants are anything except for A, E, I, O, and U to make a word, and then write the word. So what you're going to do, at the top, underlined here, it says T or N. So you're going to choose T or N and put it in this blank space right here. If I choose T, it's going to say at. What word did I make? Cat. So I would write the word cat right here. If I choose the word or the letter N, I'm going to put the N here, and then it says can. Then I'm going to write right here the word can. So choose one of these letters to go first and one to go second and see what word you can make. Then you're going to move on to this column. Choose one of these letters and put it right here and put one right here and see what word you made. So have fun building words today. Have a wonderful day.